Hello everybody, Ben Ditmore here again. Today is March 18th, 2020. Anyway, this one here is today's victim. This one here is a 1960 Johnson 10 horse. I took this one on trade about a month ago, and it really wasn't too bad. Previous owner or whoever, somebody did a big service on it. So it had new coils, points, condensers. It had a fresh carb kit in it. It has a new fuel pump on it. It has new gear case seals and a new water pump. So somebody already did all that. I went back through it all and pressure tested the gear case and it was fine. Changed the gear oil in it. Checked the water pump impeller in it, and yep, it was brand new. I replaced the fuel hoses on it. I put new spark plug wires on it. And I went back through the carburetor again. I don't even attempt to try to run them first. I always just assume they need everything and just do it. Anyway, we got it done here this morning, and it seems to run very nice. I'm running it on 16-to-1 gas oil mix because that's what I have. It's a 24-to-1 mix motor, but all I've got is 16-to-1 or 40-to-1 mixed, so 16-to-1 it is. Anyway, I'll give you a little show on this one. Water really well. Really good. And reverse. Back in the forward. Okay, that'll do it for this one. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.